everyone, Mrs. Spatola here. These are the answers from our last homework assignment. Here's the answers for 1 through 15. Pause the video, check your work. And as we continue up, there's the rest. Let's take a look and see what's on tap for today. Today's lesson will focus on adding and subtracting fractions with like and unlike denominators. How do you add and subtract like and unlike denominators? Well, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to complete the do now, which says, what is the LCM of 12 and 15? And here's the reason why we're going to find the LCM. Another term for the LCM, the least common multiple, is the least common denominator. And we're going to see that when we have to add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators. Hopefully this will look familiar to you because this is not the first time you're seeing it. So hopefully your elementary skills will come into play. But let's start here. What is the LCM of 12 and 15? Pause the video and give it a shot. And as you can see, the LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. The strategy that we use, find the multiples of the larger number first so that you can look at the smaller number and determine, does that number go into the larger number as you're going through the multiples? Let's take a look at today's lesson. As we add and subtract fractions and mixed numbers, well, we're going to focus today on fractions. So when you have like denominators, that's the easier part. Keep the fractions vertical or stack them up. Stack up the fractions or mixed numbers. Add or subtract the numerators, the denominator stays the same. Now, you can add and subtract going across as long as the denominators are the same. Remember to simplify. Also, that ABC key on your calculator is going to be a huge help. Remember, if listening to it as we talked about it in class. Also, make sure the fraction is not improper and it's in simplest form. Let's take a look at number 1. 4/5 plus 1/5. I can just keep these actually horizontal. I keep my denominator the same. We don't add the denominators, by the way. We do add the numerators. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 over 5 is equal to 1 whole, and you are done. Look at number 2. So basically, the denominator stays the same. We're subtracting, in this case, the numerators. Please be aware of the add and subtracting signs. 6 minus 2 is 4. Is that in simplest form? Yes. And remember, you can check these in your calculator. Complete the rest of this page on your own and pause the video and come back and check your answers. And there you have the answers to numbers 1 through 6. Just a little note, number 3, make sure it's in simplest form. Number 5, the answer was improper, so make sure you change that into a mixed number. And number 6, you make sure you simplify that as well. Let's take a look at unlike denominators. When we are adding and subtracting with unlike denominators, these are going to be the rules here. Stack up the fractions or mixed numbers, find the LCD, least common multiple. You're going to use the LCD to create equivalent fractions, add or subtract the numerators, bring down the denominator, and put your answer in simplest form. Here is a great opportunity, okay? So here, when we set these up, we make almost like a bit of a T down here. So look at 9.5 plus 5 3/2. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So the first thing you want to do is find the LCM, which is 6. That becomes your new denominator here. You're going to rewrite the fraction. You're going to rewrite the fraction with the new denominator. So 1/2 times 3 over 3. Okay, so 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, and there you have it. 5 2/3, you're going to change that to a denominator of 6 by multiplying by 2 over 2. 5 4 over 6 is what we come out with. We add them together. Okay, the denominators stay the same. Now look, we have an improper fraction here. Be really, really careful because now 7 over 6, if we change that to a mixed number, it becomes 14 plus 1 1/6, and that's how we get 15 1/6. Try the rest of this page on your own, and we will go over the answers tomorrow in class. This is Mrs. Spatola wishing you a great day, and remember, be kind.